In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect PayPal from Xero. Whether you're streamlining your accounts or reconfiguring your setup, it's essential to know how to manage your app integrations effectively. First, we'll be starting from the Xero dashboard. If you're not already there, go ahead and log into your Xero account and navigate to the dashboard page. This is where you have a full view of your accounts and operations. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Xero App Store. You can find this option by clicking on the relevant section on the dashboard page. The App Store is your gateway to managing all the applications linked to your Xero account. So go ahead and click on the Open Xero App Store link. After you're in the App Store, your next step is to access the list of applications you have connected. You'll want to find the option labeled My Apps. Click on this link and it will direct you to a page where all your integrated applications are neatly lined up. This is where you can view and manage them individually. Now within the My Apps section, navigate to the subsection labeled Connected Apps. This is where all the applications currently linked to your Xero account will appear. By scrolling through this list, you should be able to see all the different integrations you've previously set up. If your PayPal account is linked, it will show up here. This is critical because it ensures that you can verify exactly which integrations are active. Locate your PayPal connection. You'll likely see a specific option beside it that allows for disconnection. This will usually be labeled with terms like disconnect or remove. Go ahead and click on this option. In doing so, you're instructing Xero to sever the link between the two accounts. Once disconnected, it's always a good idea to refresh your page or check your list of connected apps again to confirm that the PayPal link has indeed been removed. If you need any further adjustments or reconfigurations for your other apps, now's a good time to do that as well. And that's it! With these straightforward steps, you've successfully disconnected your PayPal from Xero. Disconnecting such integrations is helpful for ensuring your workflow remains organized and only includes the tools that you currently need. Remember, you can always reconnect apps if your requirements change in the future. Managing integrations like these can help maintain a more streamlined and efficient system within your business accounting practices. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our